Yes, we're at the video shoot. We about to do a little tour. We about to shake some ass a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got the cars out here. That is my favorite. Second is the ponytail. You already know. Third are the glasses. Real cute, real cute, real cute. We're gonna keep it real cute, real cute, real cute. Keep watching and stay tuned, okay? Don't stop watching. Keep watching. Don't click out. Keep fucking watching, okay? You gotta follow me, camera. Follow me, camera. Follow me. Okay, so this is the go, right? Next, okay. That's actually my favorite part. She actually did something with this song for real. Ooh, baby, the wind about to knock me off my damn feet. You gotta be stepping like this.
A-Leaf, Houston, Texas, SWAT. A-Leaf, Houston, Texas, SWAT. A-Leaf, Houston, Texas. I'm F-I-N-E, fine as you can see. And I really can't be worried about no bitches hating me. And I'm P-A-I-D, paid out the frame. Make sure when you mention me, put some big respect on my name. I'm F-I-N-E, fine as you can see. And I really can't be worried about no bitches hating me. And I'm P-A-I-D, paid out the frame. Make sure when
this
you
one's
mention
actually.
So we in this bitch. We got exotic pop, my
Big
girl
pop,
here.
Big pop, big pop. You get what I'm talking about?
Yes, this shit is good as fuck.
Oh, good.
It's good as fuck.
And that's on my kangaroo.
Period. And that's on.
Period, y'all.
It's good as fuck. That's all you need to know. Exotic pop. We out here. Peace. Yes, and I feel like I need a picture on the car. So while she's doing a shot, I need to take pictures on the side. Let me get my lip gloss.
No, she want to take a picture of us. Yeah.
But I also need a picture with y'all in the cars too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the behind the scenes content.
He a lip gloss. That's my damn purse, bruh.
I have content.
These are too damn big and I be lost.
I tell my
Oh my God.
That's true.
she has lip gloss.
Oh, blessing.
Blessing has it.
Stop.
Please stop.
Nah, for real.
It looks so good.
I'm telling you.
Thank y'all so much.
Let me come and see.
This
is
is
my
my
cheesy
cheesy
ass.
She's just excited to be here. Look at that.
Oh, blessing. That looks good.
It does. I love it.
I bet they getting slapped by your ponytail.
I'm crying, look, because I wasn't paying no mind.
Cute.
Oh, this
I'm gonna get some behind the scenes. Wait, please.
Yeah, this
Yes.
is what we home
Yes.
Play with it.
But I've been slapping hoes for free so you can get that same issue.
Period.
Damn, this lens is actually insane.
That camera is ridiculous. Ridiculous. So this is how we're doing it tonight? Yeah. Go,
Hey.
go, yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Go, 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 yeah.